Yes. This is a RIPOSE lecture. Today we are going to see the solubility and physical states in water. So that is the solubility of salts and their physical states in water. Now we have the salts. We have salt A, which is chloride. We have very many salts also. We have the sulfates, we have the nitrates. Those are the salts. We have the hydroxides. We have the chlorides, and we have the carbonates, and then hydrogen carbonates. But we are going to see the salt that is the chlorides. So you can see that solubility, we see that all chlorides are soluble in water, except only lead chloride and silver, which do not dissolve. Lead 2 ions, and silver ion, these are the cation without color. And the other time we said in the video, last video, that those cation without the color and their salt are insoluble. They appear as a white what? Precipitate. That is a white solid. That is for cation without color. Their salt in solid form appear white. But when it is put in water, they do not dissolve. That is for lead and silver. But the other chlorides are soluble, so they dissolve, forming a colorless solutions. We have some of the chloride here. We have sodium chloride, potassium chloride. You see, chloride is a common factor. So the name of the salt is pronounced using the anion in it. So these are the cations, these are the anions. So when they say chloride, we just said chloride, meaning sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, zinc chloride. Can be any chloride, can be copper 2 chloride, but we just said chlorides. That is how we pronounce the salt. So other chloride that are soluble, those without color, they form colorless solutions. But those with the color, like copper, we have copper 2, the color is blue. And since each chloride is soluble, all chloride are soluble, so it means that the one for copper dissolve, forming a blue solutions. We have also iron 2. Iron 2 is a green. And since all chloride are solubles, so we find that iron 2 dissolve, forming a green solutions. We have iron 3. Iron 3 is a yellow. And since all chloride are soluble, so we find that the one for iron 3 chloride dissolves in water, forming a yellow solutions. That is how we can see the solubility. All chloride are soluble in water, except only these two, lead chloride and silver chloride. So the reason why all chloride are soluble, except this one do not dissolve, we are going to see in the next video. Why lead 2 chloride and silver chloride do not dissolve in water. Why they appear as a white solid. Then you also see why other chloride dissolve in water, forming a solution. That is aqueous. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a nice day. Please subscribe.